All right, I had already done a review of the AllDay Lock and Twist Supremo gel, but I accidentally deleted it, so I'm doing it again. And plus, I had got some comments where I had left some responses to people and their experience. So usually I do from the shelf in the store to the scalp, but I skipped that part because I already had this jar. This jar, the 21 ounce, I believe it's 21 ounces, was $17.99 in my local beauty supply store. I had also tried their braid gel, but I didn't leave a review because I didn't like it as much as I liked the Lock and Twist, so I went right back to Lock and Twist. So I just smoothed up the nape of her neck, and now I'm parting my first row. This gel moves great to me. I had some comments in the video that I had posted previously where someone said it left their hair white as candle wax. That hasn't happened to me or anyone I've used it on. It's either you may have been too heavy-handed or you didn't comb it out, and I'll show later on where when you do lay it on, it does look a little thick, but once you lay it out, it disperses and it does what it needs to do. And let me also note, mixing products sometimes can give you a different result. She only had her hair blow dried with a cream moisturizer on her ends. So I wanted to make sure that there was not too much product on her scalp. Okay, so we are 3 rows in on the back, and I'm just giving you a close-up now of what the gel looks like right after I part it, but before I comb through it. And I'm going to finish that section, and then I'll show you what I mean by dispersing it. And no shade to any of the other products that I reviewed or any other products that anybody else may use. I never went back to other products after I found this, but do what works for you and your prep. You know, your prep has to do with it too. So if you don't want to blow dry or straighten hair out as much, maybe you don't need something as solid or as holdable as what I use. Or if you're working with different hair textures, maybe you don't need something like this. This is where I'm combing the flyaways into the top, and the hair I want to catch in the braid in the bottom. The product disperses here, so that thicker, almost whitishness that you saw should go away right here when you do this step. And right here you see me taking the tail of my rat tail comb and smoothing those roots down even more. Okay, and we are done. This is how the parts look before I put anything on it. So this is just the Lock and Twist Supremo by itself, and now I'm going in with some oil sheen, and it's just ORS oil sheen. So what do you all think about the AllDay Lock and Twist Supremo? Is it something that you use? Would you use it? Is there something that you thought I would say that I didn't say about it? Let me know, because a girl can't grow if a girl doesn't know, okay? So this is the finished look, guys. Thanks.